It's early in the morning today. I'm making coffee. Just want to make coffee. Actually, it's not early in the morning. It's already around 2:24. So this is how I wake up. This is how bad I wake up. I was supposed to get up early today, but sleepy, so got up late. It's around 2:20 in the afternoon. Weather's good outside. Could have gone out. Today's a holiday. Yeah. So what I'm doing right now is I usually don't grind coffee ahead, but there are times when you're too lazy, like you woke up late and you don't. Oh fuck! Put it in the wrong place. There are times when you're too tired and too lazy that you forgot. Oh, can't think, man. So, there are times in your life when you're too lazy and you don't want to grind coffee. Because I have a manual grinder. I like the manual grinder, but sometimes you get tired and you don't want to grind anything. So I'm just grinding some of them ahead. I know they taste different. Freshly ground coffee is the best thing, but for now we're just gonna have a backup. So we have this some coffee and we have a backup ground coffee. Yeah. So firing the Barbie, and we're gonna do pork belly for today. Hey guys, so the weather today is really good. You can see it's bright, sunny with some clouds on it, and I'm wearing a shirt and it's open. I'm beside my Barbie. Weather's really good today. It's nice to go out, enjoy the outdoors and everything else. But I spent the whole day sleeping, nearly the whole day. I woke up early, but I decided to go back to sleep and didn't budge. So I was just in the bed, just stayed up there for a long time. It was a good rest though, but the thing is, when I think about things that I need to do, I get stressed out. So that's what I'm gonna do later. But yeah, either way, if you're in Australia and you're out today, yeah, it's really nice here in Victoria. And if you just came across this vlog and you think that weather, okay, so suddenly I forgot what I was gonna say. Never mind that one. So yeah, nothing for today. Just me talking, holding this thing here, just testing out this DJI mic and see how this goes. So yeah. Okay, I've gathered my thoughts now. I remember what I'm gonna say. So yeah, that was explosive. I know that was explosive. I'm testing this DJI mic up here and see how this goes. But anyway, yeah, what I was trying to say earlier is that the weather is really good here. It's nice to go out. If you're from Australia, if you just been to Australia and you just came across this vlog here, you'd understand what I mean. Most of the times it's cold. If it's hot, it's too hot, like summer. And there are times the weather's perfect, like it's not cold, it's not rainy, it's just fresh and it's good. So this is one of those weathers, and you see the doors opened and I'm wearing my shirt. So this, if you do that here, and that's really good, because most of the times, like I bring my jacket with me, and the weather is really unpredictable, especially here in Melbourne. Sometimes the weather goes too warm. You go out and then suddenly in the middle of the day it suddenly goes cold, winter like stormy weather, and after an hour it's just gonna go back hot again. So if you're caught without a jacket outside, you be freezing, like you be miserable. But yeah, the weather today is really good, and if you have any experience on weathers like these and you can relate, just hit me a comment, say something, anything. I'm just trying to engage with you guys, and yeah. So yeah, I smell like burnt wood now because I'm doing my Barbie. I'm using wood, not the bricks one, because wood, like smoked meat, is really good. And back at home we use those, how do you call them here? I don't know. Uling. We use those wood. As you can see, I just got up out of bed and it's really late in the afternoon. It's around nearly 3 p.m. and I look like my eyes, like, I don't know, just woke up. My voice sounds hoarse, and yeah, but I'm fine. I'm good. My nose is even big. It's always been big. Oh, okay. Anyway, I have not really to say today. I'm just putting this up. Also, I'm putting up a bisaya version of this one. It's much more simpler. Not a lot of talk. I really love to talk, but I have nothing to talk about. So anyway, I'm just gonna finish cooking this, and we'll see how this day goes. We don't know. This vlog could end up anywhere, because the thing is, I don't script it out, and I'm really weak at making stories. Anyway, you take care, guys. I'm just gonna finish this one now. So here's our food for today. I need to put it somewhere. So here's our food for today. We have pork belly, which is being skewered. So usually back home we don't skewer it. We just put it directly in the fire and wait for it to cook. We just use two tongs to like turn them around. But right now I'm using this so that I won't be using the tongs, and it'll be easier for me to roll it around. Yeah, much more easier. So yeah, waiting for the fire to coat. Or waiting for the fire to cook. Yeah, waiting for the fire to be ready. Not the fire, the Barbie. I don't know what to say. Yeah, and also I'm using secret herbs and spices for my pork belly. Dili bitaw. Toyo ra na siya og asin ug kanang ay Bisaya eh. Just salt, soy sauce, and vinegar, and some garlic on it. Just simple. Not a lot of bells and whistles. I forgot. I was just being Bisaya. I'm doing 2 videos. That's why you get confused. I should be doing only one, but yeah, I just want to do 2. So it is what it is. Yeah, I should only do 1. And I forgot about my coffee. Was blabbering and preparing this and forgot my coffee. Shit. Okay, I'm back again. So, oh, yeah, okay. I'm skeptical of using this all throughout for this vlog. The thing is, I don't know how this sounds, and I don't know how this thing works around my settings. I'm going back to the Sony one, which is that one. It's a Sony BGM VC10. I forgot that. Yeah, it's a microphone you put on the hot shoe, and it doesn't have any wires that goes to your camera. It's very good. The good thing about this is there are no wires, and you can set it to manual, and it still sounds good. You can set it to manual, you can set it to automatic, and you can get good audio. The problem with this microphone is that it's gonna have a lot of echo because it's not near my mouth, and it's not like, how do you say it? Forgot the polar pattern, but yeah, it is what it is. I love it. I love it. Yeah. I'm gonna stop blabbering. Maybe I'll start editing this. I think I don't have much happening today, so it's just gonna be this vlog here. Me making coffee, making Barbie, and Barbie's like sounding good. And other than that, see you tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow's gonna be a Friday. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a Friday. Grand Finals Day. It's gonna be another holiday for us here in Victoria. So we have a long weekend today. We start around Thursday and all the way to Monday. No work, but I don't have work, so I'm working Saturday shooting videos. But yeah, gotta shut up now and gotta fix this up. I look like shit. Got my eyes just like swollen. Shit. Oh shit! I think I burned it. Oh, there you go.